Hi, Andrew here from SOK50, and in this video we're going to be looking at the SOK50 range of industrial socket testers. We've got the 230 volt SOK40, the 110 volt SOK50 and the 400 volt SOK60. Each industrial socket tester comes with a rubberized overmold and the relevant Commando 16 amp industrial plug. First we'll take a look at the operation of the SOK50 SOK40. This is the 230 volt industrial socket tester. If everything's good with the circuit, the unit will do a self check and then show 3 green LEDs with a solid tone. If I then reverse the live and neutral, again the unit does a self test and then it clearly displays a live and neutral cross and gives a warbling tone. We'll now look at the operation of the SOK50 SOK50. This is the 110 volt industrial socket tester. It's looking for 55 volts between L1 and tap or L2 and tap, and then 110 volts between L1 and L2. If we apply 110 volts, it does a self check. You'll see we'll get a solid tone and it tells us L1 and L2 are present, as is the centre tap. If I then remove that centre tap, it'll do a self check again and then you'll see you'll get a warbling tone and the tap LED will flash to indicate that the centre tap's now missing. We'll now look at the SOK50 SOK60. This is the 3-phase 400 volt industrial socket tester. The SOK60 is the 4-pin variant. Also available is the SOK50 SOK65. This is the 3-phase 5-pin variant. If I now apply 3-phase to the tester, it does a self-check before showing us the correct rotation. If I then reverse the rotation to the socket tester, we get a warbling warning tone and the LEDs show a counterclockwise rotation. All the SOK50 industrial socket testers that you've seen come fitted with a 16 amp Commando plug. Adapters are available to go to a 32 amp Commando plug. We've got the ADP40, ADP50, ADP60 and the 5-pin variant, the ADP65. Simply take the industrial socket tester and the 16 amp socket, connect together and you're ready to test at a 32 amp plug. For more information on this range of testers and adapters, see everything at www.socketandc.co.uk.